Apple Valley News Now and STCU are recognizing the volunteers making a difference in our communities. This month, our volunteer count winner is Mark Brault, the volunteer CEO of Grace Clinic in Kennewick, which is the only clinic in Tri-Cities to provide medical services free of charge.
Hi, are you Mark?
I am.
Hi Mark, I'm Jill with Apple Valley News Now.
Hi, Jill.
And you were nominated and you've won Volunteers Count.
Volunteer CEO Mark Brault has earned Grace Clinic a $1,000 donation from STCU.
One of the things that is important to understand about Grace Clinic is that we are completely community funded. We don't get government funding. We rely on the community, and so raising that money, that $1,000 is significant to us because all of our support comes out of the community.
One of Brault's most significant tasks as volunteer CEO is raising money for the clinic.
We don't charge for anything we do. We serve a low-income, uninsured population, and everything that we do is free.
And that can mean all the difference for someone who can't afford to take care of their medical concerns through traditional health clinics.
We have a substantial number of our patients that have a chronic disease like diabetes or hypertension, and in that population, we're keeping them healthier. The consequences of poorly controlled diabetes are things like blindness and kidney failure and amputations, and we have really outstanding results in our diabetes management program, and so we keep those people healthier.
So seeing that you're really changing people's lives, impacting their lives, how does that make you feel?
It's terrific, and for me, my involvement here to a great extent is driven by the fact that both myself, but my immediate family, we've had some reasonable need for medical services, but we've always had coverage, we've always had the ability to pay for our part of it, and so many people that's not the case. So, when we can provide those services in a similar fashion to what those of us that have good access are looking for, that's enormously rewarding.
If you know a volunteer who goes above and beyond in Benton and Franklin counties, you can nominate them for Volunteers Count by going to applevalleyNewsNow.com and clicking on Contests.